how to use ChatGPT on Udemy. This may be going to be one of the good things that should be about me right here. So the thing that should be eligible for helping you on Udemy, starting with that situation, is still to be really one of the most important things that should be really next on your situation. So what we can do is about to go for Udemy website like this. As you can see, we're looking for the ChatGPT on Udemy. To choose the courses that it should be really suited with your goal with writing and coding, and this can be related with the ChatGPT. So absolutely, we go for that one, and then about to see how they use it, how this kind of things it should be related technology on the future, and this can also help you to make this kind of awesome graphics and videos that can help you to grow your channel and your editing, and that is all about.